Hello students, I hope you found your way through Module 1 classes. For those of you who just haven't done some of these things before, I wanted to do a quick walkthrough. So on the left-hand side, when you first open the class, you'll see all of the announcements. Secondly, you come down here to course content, and then that will give you the content for the class. Here are some online assistance resources since this is your first semester. Also essential for this class is how to forward your email and how to forward your Blackboard to text. Please look over these and do both of them because you're going to need to do both to keep track of all the assignments in this class and others. Okay, we'll go back to course content, and here's some course information. Here's the course outline, which this shows you when everything is due. So classes started today, and it will tell you when lesson 1 is due, which will be next Sunday, and everything is due Sunday by midnight. Also in course content, you will see the different modules. So right here is Module 1. Here's the introduction flyer. I just wanted to show you guys an example of what you can do and how you can use different software. This is the Word document of the flyer that I made. However, you can also go to the site at Smore, and it will show you the platform that I created just for my flyers and introductions. Smore is free, and you can create invites and introductions in that software as well. Okay, so this is something that I took out of the phlebotomy book. This is really important, I believe, in healthcare. So please read through this and think about it as you continue your quality of care with different patients. Okay. This is a great video. Please look through that. So when you click on Introduction in your first assignment to introduce yourself, you click here and it will take you to our different discussion boards, and you'll be using discussion boards throughout this class and others. And to create a thread, you click over here to create a thread, and you can put your name in the subject and then answer the questions in the body, and then to respond to other people's discussion, you click on it and then you just hit reply. So it's kind of similar to a discussion board, kind of like Twitter, but I want you guys to figure out how to use this because we'll be utilizing it again. Okay, back to Module 1. So this is a learning style quiz, and it discusses what type of learner you are. It's helpful for studying and important for you to kind of look over to create some habits on how you're going to study. So this is the PowerPoint that I would like for you to take a look at for this module. And this is an assignment that I'm expecting all of you to upload. Okay. Here you can read through the background of the assignment. But this is what I want you guys to use. I've created this Word file, and in this Word file, you are able to edit it, and you essentially type in the times that you have available to study. And what I am looking for here is you can block off time for work, you can block off time for classes, but what I want to make sure is that you have ample time to study outside of your work obligations and your class obligations. Each student should have between 20 and 25 hours a week to study with your classes if you're full-time. Alrighty. And the last assignment is, what would you like to learn in this class? A lot of people get into healthcare for a lot of different reasons, and we all have our strengths and weaknesses. So what I would like to know are the things that you feel like you need to brush up on a bit. And if you have any questions, you can always email me, and I will be responding to your assignments. Talk to you soon.